Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna avocado sandwich. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Make sure your avocado is perfectly ripe, soft, but not overly mushy, for the best creamy texture. Now, let's prepare the tuna mixture. Start by thoroughly draining 1 can of tuna to remove any excess water or oil. Place the drained tuna into a medium-sized bowl. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the tuna. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper, then mix everything together really well until it's evenly combined and creamy. It's time to add the star ingredient, the avocado. Carefully have 1 ripe avocado, remove the large pit, and scoop out all the creamy flesh into the bowl with the tuna mixture. Gently mash the avocado with a fork, then fold it into the tuna until it's well incorporated. Finally, spread a generous amount of this delicious mixture onto 1 slice of your chosen bread. To finish your perfect tuna avocado sandwich, simply place the 2nd slice of bread on top. You can then slice your sandwich in half, either diagonally or straight across, for easier handling and a more enjoyable eating experience. Serve it immediately and savor every bite. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.